right, today is October 20th, 2021. We are headed to Gray Quarry. Woo! Probably the last quarry dive that we'll get in for the year. Hopefully we'll have some more stuff for you if we can get a warm water dive in somewhere in the Gulf or somewhere else. But for now, this is going to be our last one for the year. And today is very special because we're going to go carve some pumpkins. So we got our designs all set and ready to go, and mine will probably look like absolute garbage, but I don't care. It's about the adventure. It's about having fun.
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun. Never done it before. So we will see you at the site. What's that?
I said I'll see you out there, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, see you in the water.
I'll see you in the water.
Friend.
I'm not your friend, pal.
What'd you forget?
My right arm.
That's the old man grunts.
Don't be like Danny Glover. I'm getting too old for this.
Alright, well, we're finally in the water. It's only 10 o'clock at night. Alright, we're going to take a quick swim around, see if we can find any of these paddlefish.
Okay, stop. We intended for this video to be about underwater pumpkin carving. Last time we were at this quarry, we couldn't get within 30 feet of these paddlefish that they just introduced this year. Our dive plan was just to go around, make a quick lap, maybe see a paddlefish in the distance, and carve some pumpkins. Things went a little differently.
Warning, fish frenzy.
It was time to get down to business. We're not getting first place in this contest, but it sure was fun.
One eternity later.
Happy Halloween. Sending them out, brothers. Happy Halloween. It's kind of hard to see out of them, though.
Just punch him as hard as you can, right
I
in
got a
the
big head.
pumpkin.
I got a big head to begin with, but this is ridiculous.
How's your Petro?
It's good. This is the best Petro ever. So hungry.
Petros after diving. The best.
Hey, they got a pumpkin just like mine.